everybody, this is Mary Svodlinka here from Nebraska. I'm tuning in live for a video. It's that time. Let's get this paper settled. Okay. Anyway, how y'all doing? If you're catching this now, go ahead and tell me where you're tuning in from. If you're catching it later, hashtag replay. Anyway, what I want to talk about, my title is $433,000 paid out to its members. And are you ready for a change? So, good morning, Renee. How are you? Thank you for tuning in. So glad to have you on. Yes, thank you. I haven't done a live in a couple of weeks. I know. Tuning in from Florida. Oh, I love Florida. I was born there. I haven't been there since I was an infant. Anyway, parents moved away, but yeah. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Glad to have you here. It's been a couple weeks, like I said, since I've done a live, and I need to get back to doing it. I'm sorry if my voice sounds crackly. I actually am running a fever. Been having some of the symptoms of the virus, but I got tested yesterday, so hopefully we'll have the results back here soon. Hopefully it's not the virus, just a common cold, but you never know. So the reason for my live today is over 433 paid out to its members, and are you ready for a change is what the title is. If you're in business and you're not seeing the success that you'd like, or you're not getting the support that you'd like, I invite you to take a look at what we have going on. We're having a webinar tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hi, Chris. How are you? Thanks for tuning in. Anyway, yes, we're having a webinar tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'd like for you to be my guest. Come see what we're all about. If you're looking to join a company that you get total support, everybody works as a team, this is the thing you want to look at, because with over 433,000 paid out to its members, it's totally amazing. And anyway, like I said, if you're not happy with your current company that you're with, you're not making the income that you like, oh, thank you, Denise. Yeah, this cold's really kicking my butt, and I'm not one for staying home from work or staying, keeping myself from doing what I need to do, but it's really been kicking my butt, so hopefully it's just a cold. But yeah, so anyway, come take a look to see what we're all about tonight. This is a totally awesome webinar. I will leave the link down below, and that way you can just click on it and join. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're not willing to, or what I want to say is, if you're looking to make some changes, to better yourself, just come see what we're all about. This community that we have has such great support, and everybody works as a team. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Hi, Sharon. Hi, Jay. Hello, Patty. Thanks for tuning in. If you're catching this now, hashtag live. If you're catching it later, replay, so I know where you're tuning in from. And I do apologize for my voice. It is kind of going out, and it's kind of hard to talk, but I'm going to get through this live so I can get you guys invited, because it's so exciting, the change that we have going on with this company. And I will, like I said, leave the link down below. Hi, Christina Waller. Thanks for tuning in. Yes, sorry. I'll leave the link below. Go ahead and sign up for the webinar. Come see what we're all about. See what the excitement is. With over $433,000 paid to its member in over 3 months now. That's just simply amazing and unheard of. So bring all your friends, anybody that would be interested in learning what we're about. Bring them on over tonight, and let's get you rocking and rolling, because this thing is really taking off. Me personally, in the program I've been in since the beginning, a little over 3 months now, I have made over $4,600, and we have people in this company that have made over $20,000. And so it is possible, it is endless. It's here to help you succeed and to help brand you as a leader. So if you're looking for a simple, easy way with a great community to help earn some online income, this is the program for you. So 7 o'clock tonight, Eastern Standard Time. And we'll see you there. So thank you for tuning in. And thank you for bearing with me. My voice is, like I said, is not the best right now, but I wanted to come on and do a live anyway. So I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you tonight at 7 p.m. We'll talk to you later. Bye.